...2016 BMW 3 Series review. What's new for 2016? The 2016 BMW 3 Series receives a variety of minor updates. BMW has made slight styling changes to the exterior, including newly available LED headlights, and freshened up the interior with a few new trim accents. Last year's 335i model has been replaced by the new 340i, which is slightly more powerful than before. All BMW 3 Series models receive revised tuning for the suspension and steering, and BMW says it's for improved handling characteristics without a loss of ride comfort. Finally, a new 3 Series variant, the 330 plug-in hybrid, is set to debut later in the model year. Check back soon for a full review or read our 340i road test.